what we're doing today, we're gonna make soap with oat milk, okay? Oat milk. This one, I have freezed it a long time ago when I first bought this package here, so I froze it. When you do anything that is not water, make sure you freeze your water, freeze the ingredients, okay? Otherwise the fumes get too hot. Oat milk as well, you have to do that as well. With the avocado, not avocado, I'm talking about aloe vera, even avocado as well. Here you want to use that. You still need to freeze it, okay? So I'll freeze it, ice cube, and now this is your water replacement. So oat milk, we're going to use this in our recipe. Also, I'm going to put in the grounded oat roll, okay? Oat roll. Maybe sprinkle on top of maybe a sprinkle on top as well. This part here, the oat roll here, okay? Organic, of course. Also, I also grounded the oat, okay, to make a powder, colloidal oat, okay, powder. But basically, this one you just ground it, okay, and you get this powder, okay. I use 2 tablespoons for my recipe, okay. So this will replace all the other ingredients. This is the first time I tried it, so I will not do any extraordinary stuff, okay. More importantly, and move this out a little bit, you have to put your mold, okay, get your mold ready, and make sure this mold will fit into your fridge, okay, your freezer, because this is a cool process soap. So when you pour it in, everything is in here, take it and put it in the fridge straight away. You don't want this to overheat. Okay, if it's overheat, it can make a volcano. Some ingredients, some recipe suggest you put honey into the milk as well, the oat milk. But I didn't do that. Okay, by next batch maybe I might do that. Okay, but for this purpose, and also honey, we actually make it go volcano as well. So heat up as well. So make sure you make sure you have in your freezer a spot where you can put this in straight away after you pour. Let's measure it up and we start making soap, okay? Okay, have your ingredient ready. Okay, this one I use the palm 160. Okay, so palm is 35%, coconut oil 20%, rice bran oil 25%, olive oil 10%. This ingredient usually require a high olive oil and coconut oil, 2 ingredients. But I want to try this out, this recipe, okay, the palm 160 that I designed. So I'll use mainly the palm oil and coconut oil. Is more a balance, a more harder soap, okay? Okay, I'll have this right down here and also in the description as well if you want to have a look at this recipe. No gloves yet because I'm just weighing up the ingredients. So if I weight Lye and all that stuff, I will put on gloves, okay? Okay, first up we have palm. For my recipe, 35% is 2A9. 290, 289. Can you keep me off by a little bit? You can, right? I'm off by just a tiny bit. Put this away. Next, we have coconut oil. To tar this, coconut oil, we have 248. Alright, done. That's the hard fat. Rice bran first. Okay, rice bran. We have 206. 25%, 206. It's all right. One off, it's all right. Don't have to be that precise. Just 1 or 2 grams off, it's all right. Okay. Next one, we tie it up. We have olive oil next. Olive oil, not extra, okay? Just normal oil. Okay, we need just 82 grams. Just 82 grams. That's all right. One gram off is all right, okay? Just don't be too hang up on it, okay? That's done. All the oil's done. Clean up as you work. It's easier, okay? The water part. So remember we're using the oat milk as the water replacement, okay? So I'm going to pour the lye into here. Okay, for the water we need 200 grams. 200 grams, so roughly, let's see, 10 of this. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's our, okay, milk, okay, oat milk. Okay, leave it aside. Now for the lye, I have to wear, let's come to lye, measure lye, no mucking around, okay? Straight on. So this way we're gonna measure the lye and we're gonna mix it in straight away, okay? Then we work out the oil later. Okay, we can leave the lye as cool as we want. For the lye, we need 117. Perfect. Close this straight away. Everything measure up. Now let's mix the lye. Some people will prefer to do it outside, but this is alright, you know. It's stainless steel, everything stainless steel. Okay, stand back a little bit. Okay. Slowly pour it in. It's not that too bad because we melt the ice. Let me get the temperature for you. 47 degrees. Okay, so it's getting hot. Even though we ice it, this is milk. Okay, so that's the color. It's rising 52 degrees Celsius. Now you can cool this down, okay, or you can let time do it. Okay, you can cool this down by leave it dunk it in a water bath. Okay. I'll leave it outside, so I'll wait for this to melt everything in. Then we're gonna make soap with it, okay? So I'll leave it aside here. Then I'm gonna melt all this fat. Okay, make sure nobody touch it. Okay, for the next part, we're gonna melt all the fat. So the hard fat first. Usually with this one, right, I use the microwave as usual to melt this. I'll do that now, around 1.5 minutes, it should melt, okay? So right now, room temperature is around 22 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna mix everything into this bowl as usual, okay? So I'll wait till it's the boiling part, right? Wait for the fat to melt. While we're doing that, I'll get my stick blender ready. Check the temperature, 72 degrees, 22 degrees. The lye solution, 46. So this is the first time I tried to do this recipe. Usually my soaping temperature is around 37. So I'll try that with this recipe as well, or maybe lower, okay? So right now I'll probably have to wait for the lye to cool down a little bit, and I'll soap around 30 degrees Celsius. So I don't want it to be too hot. So I'll turn off the camera. I'll wait another 5 minutes till this everything cool down a little bit. Okay, then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, the temperature has cooled down a little bit. Now I think I'm ready to back to soaping. So let me check with you guys. Got the hard fat, 62, 63, 64. Okay, this one, 22. When I combine the two, it's going to be around 40. But I'm going to mix in the colloidal oil as well, this one. So actually that will cool down as well. So let me do that now. Combine everything together. Liquid oil, liquid fat. Go in first, get everything out. Hard fat. Okay, hope you can see that. Okay, right, just let me check the temperature a little bit. 45, okay. So we nearly there. We're still in the high range. So let me mix in the oat that I have here, okay. This is the oat that I have. Mix it in. Oatmeal recipe. It's been around a long time. People love it. Okay, so if you market this should be one of the ingredients that you should have in your arsenal. Okay, so I'm stirring it now. Get all the chunky bit out. So we haven't mixed the lye yet. Okay, mix the lye into the fat. We're just mixing the oat. Okay. So we want to soak this cool, okay? So usually 37 degrees Celsius is my target. Okay, 41 degrees, so 40 degrees. Okay, so I won't have to wait a bit longer, but I'll let the oat soak in a little bit. Let the oat, colloidal oat or oat powder, marry with the fat. We're in no rush right now. Okay, keep stirring, or you just wait. Okay. I'll let this cool down a little bit. I'll wait another 10 minutes, okay? Then we go from there, okay? I'll turn off the camera now. Okay, let's check the temperature. I'll just move this around to my blending station. So I have the fat here, 33 degrees. The lye solution, 35. Okay, so we're getting there, okay? So I don't want to get too low, okay? So it's below our normal 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we're going to mix it in now. Mix in the lye solution. Doing this straight away. Okay, now it starts blending. Okay, easy, right? Now, this is the first time I try this recipe, so I don't know how long it's going to take to get emulsion. Okay, but we have to see, okay? Only way you can do is start blending. Bit more, okay? There is smell, okay? The oat smell, okay? It's quite distinctive. Okay? We have emulsion, okay? See that? So that's how you know. See that, okay? No more stick blending. I'm gonna pour it out because I'm using a very fast tracing recipe, so I don't want to blend it any further. Otherwise, I'll get a soap on a stick. No fun there, right? So that is the consistency that we want. Okay, I'll have to move you guys back now to the station. Okay, that is the consistency that we want. Okay, now this is the rice bran oil. So it's traced very fast. Got to pour it in now. Try to get everything out. Try to get everything out. Okay, I think I had enough of that. Move it aside. Now let's do some decoration. Okay, so let me level this up. Level this out a little bit. Bang it out. Okay, the oat meat. Okay. Okay, we're going to make some decoration. So just slightly drizzle on top. way, right? So there you go. Slight decoration only, you know. Don't go too dramatic. There's a few more here. Don't waste it. Okay. Clean up a little bit. It's probably the cleanest soap that I ever made. Look how clean it is. Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge. I'm gonna wrap it in plastic first, then put it in the fridge. The reason why I want to wrap this in plastic is because it might get soda ash, okay? So I want to prevent that. So when using plastic, for this part here, just cover it up. Then put this in the freezer, okay? Freezer, okay? Some recipes suggest 2 hours, then leave it out, okay? But I'll probably leave it for 8 hours overnight, okay, and see what happens. This is the first time I tried it as well, so finger crossed, okay? So 8 hours, then I'm gonna cut it, see what happens, okay? I'll take it out and see what happens. My name is Gel. Thanks for watching. So this is oat milk recipe. I'll do the cutting later on as well for you guys. Not a different video, otherwise this video getting too long. So check out my playlist if you want to see from beginner to more advanced recipe. I have other ingredients as well. So please do check that out. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.